Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your eyes, you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Ooh. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your eyes, you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Oh, baby, baby. Can you feel me, baby? Baby, baby. Can you feel me, baby? Oh, baby, baby. Can you feel me, baby? 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 Baby, baby. No party, I don't just wanna chill.
'Cause I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, babe. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. Found you wasn't with me. fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, said our time we're making up time. The time you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you.